Hello Practicum classmates. I put this video together because some of you may be wondering how to change the navigation on your Google site. If we look at the current navigation, you'll see that the standards are not in order. And if you add subpages, they'll end up in alphabetical order, which may not be what you have in mind. So I thought I'd show you how to fix this. First, let's create a few pages. Google is not very intuitive, and you may not know how to do this, so I'll give you a quick walkthrough. You can add a page to any of your main pages by first selecting the main page you want. I'll use Standard 7. Next, add a page by clicking on the plus sign in the top navigation. Name your page. I'm just going to call mine Page C. Next, choose your location. I can make this a main page, or I can add it to Standard 7, or I can choose where to place it by clicking on the small arrow next to the Choose Location button. I'm going to place it in Standard 7. Click the Create button. You can now add content to this page. But before you decide to exit, you need to click the Save button at the top. Now, if we look at the navigation, you'll notice that our page does not show up, but it is listed as a subpage on the Standard 7 page. I'll show you how to add this to the side navigation in just a minute. So let's fix the navigation. Go to the gear icon at the top of the page, then click on Edit Site Layout. You now have an editing button in the sidebar. Scroll over the button and a drop-down navigation menu shows. Click on the Navigation button. This is the box you're looking for. Automatically organize my navigation. Uncheck it and a whole new world of options open up. Click it and save. Now, if your navigation sidebar has disappeared, don't freak out. This is just Google being Google. If you don't want it to organize your pages, then it's going to make you do it all yourself, which is exactly what we want. Now let's go back to that navigation panel again. Gear, Edit Site Layout, Navigation. This time, let's click on the Add Page link at the bottom. All of your main pages are still listed here. We just need to enter them back into the navigation bar. You do this by clicking the page, then clicking the OK button at the bottom. You'll notice that my A, B, and C pages are still under Standard 7, and they show back up as subpages. But I still can't do much with them. If I add them separately, I can now reorganize them by using the arrows on the side. I can make the page a main page if I want. I can move it to another standard, or I can keep it as a subpage by using the indent arrow. I'm going to keep it as a subpage under Section 7. Okay, now let me show you one more thing. Let's say you want to add an outside link to your page. I really struggled with this because when I added a link to a page inside a Google page, I didn't get what I wanted. So let me show you how to do this. First, go to the page you want to add. I'm going to add my instructor website to my portfolio. Copy the site location by doing a Control+. Now go back to your navigation page. Use the Add URL button at the bottom right. Type in the name you want to display. I'm going to call this instructor's website. Paste in the URL and click OK. Now I can move that page to the top of my navigation bar by using the up arrows, or I can make it a subpage of a standard. I'm going to leave it at the top. When you're done with your placement, make sure you click the OK button at the bottom, and then the Close button up at the top of the page. So now let's look at the sidebar. I have reordered my navigation. My instructors page is at the top. My subpages are in the order I want, and they even show up in the navigation bar as subpages. Pretty cool, right? Okay, hope this helps. Have fun and go conquer your Google site.